They're interesting.
Smile, Jamie. You get a hold of Tiger. I am.
Is it on movie?
It's recording.
Are you sure?
Yes, it says record. Peace.
Watch.
Careful, sissy. Careful hanging.
Ooh.
I'll call you back. I'm in the cage. Okay? Alright.
Did Maggie pet him? Did you get to pet him, Magpie?
Pet him a little bit.
Want to try to pet him some more?
She's getting restless, I think. No, Maggie, sit down.
Sit.
Yeah, big tiger trainer.
You got two little pies.
Yeah, she does. Let the thing drop. And we're gonna wrestle with each other for a minute.
Magpie.
Alright guys, that is our time. Did everybody get the pet and help feed?
Did you pet him, Meg? You want to pet him a little bit more?
You want to help him out for me, please?
Alright. Can she pet him a little bit more?
She can.
Alright, pet him. Hurry. Pet.
Bye.
Don't hit. Don't hit. Be
Real
careful.
nice, real sweet.
There you go.
Alright.
Alright.
Thank you. Sammy there's gonna let you out.